dear audience. We, the students of DAV Public School, Thane, welcome into a world where words breathe and stories learn to walk among us. Today, a book will open its heart, not to be read, but to be heard. It is no ordinary tale, for it carries the journey of a boy who outran the villains, a soldier who outran despair, and a legend who taught a nation to fly. Milkha Singh. This is his autobiography, Grace of My Life, co-authored with his daughter Sonia Sankalka. Within its pages lies not just a career, but courage, not just records, but rebirth. Today, as we talk about his story in words, Medhanchal Advita will draw his story in colors and lines. Watch as every stroke starts to run just like Milkha did.
मिटा दे अपनी हस्ती को अगर कोई मर्तबा चाहे कि एक दाना खाक में मिलकर गुले गुलजार होता है. I am the race of my life. My words are carved through breath and will. Each page you turn today was written by the feet that refused to stop and a heart that never learned to surrender. Eyes been touched by sweat, stained by tears, and blessed by the wind that carried one man's unyielding dream. I hold not just history, but a heartbeat.
Then speak, O book. Unfold your pages and let us journey through your chapters of pain and pride.
Turn with me the first page, where flames chase the child and destiny began to run. Every flicker of fire was footstep towards immortality. The sky was burning, the land was being torn apart, and so were its people. I remember the ink of blood wrote a new map that year, and thousands of dreams turned into ash before they could be read.
Mom! 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 Pitaji!
That was his first race, not for medals, but for bread. He crossed borders, not of nation, but of pride.
I still hear those cries in my sleep. Every step I take is a step away from that fire. But that pain became my power.
I ran through blood, through screams, through night. I left behind my own childhood, and I only learned one word: Bhag!
Bhag Milkha! Bhag! Bhag Milkha! Bhag!
Yes, that cry followed it forever. And the whispers of pain turned into purpose, and that echo became the rhythm of every race he ever ran.
I lost a home, a family, a name. But I found a purpose. That is, to run faster than my sorrows.
Today, I stand on this land broken and shattered. But I promise you, one day I will make this land proud.
And from the ashes of loss, a new runner was born. Hopeful, fragile, barefoot, and begging to sprint again. He found discipline in the army, wore his uniform, but carried a storm inside. Among the drills and the commands, his restlessness grew wings, and the barracks became his birthplace.
Sing! 10 rounds on the ground. Faster!
Jija now, only 10, I'll run 20.
Every drop of sweat became ink upon my pages, and breathed a new promise. As he ran, his wounds became his willpower, and silence into strength.
This track, this ground is my temple. Here, I will build a new Milkha Singh. Every lap I finish, I bury a fear. and every mile I conquer, I find myself.
Singh, you're made for more than this. One day you'll run for the nation.
For the nation, Ji Janab. If my legs can serve India better than a gun, so let them run until they can run no more.
And thus began a race that would define a lifetime. A boy without a home was about to find country within himself. Every fastest runner pauses for the heartbeats too. Among races, love tiptoed into his life, like a dawn after a long night. Her name was Nini, a page in the story written in rose and silk.
You always run so fast, Milka. Can you ever just stop and be still?
If I stop, the past will catch me. Running keeps me alive.
And if someone ran beside you?
Then I would run slow, but never stop. My world is a blur naming. But when I run, I see clearly. Sometimes I wish if someone waited for me at the finish line.
She was his calm between the storms, a dream he dared to love yet never to keep. But destiny is cruel to the people who belong to ocean, and the track always won't him back.
You belong to the track, Milka. Go, chase your destiny. And when you win for India, I'll be happy for you, even from afar.
Some races we run with our feet, and some with our hearts. But love, like speed, if held too tightly, slips away.
And as she left, her memory became his strength, her absence his fire. For even a heartbeat can become a heartbeat when it fuels a purpose. Remove that. 1958. 1958. The boy who once ran from fear now ran for his flag. Each step he took was a salute to survival and a dream he dared to love.
Milka, you have done it. Gold for India.
Every medal I hold belongs to my country, to the dust of the villages which I left behind, to the people who believed I could. Today, I ran not for fame, but for my tricolor to rise higher.
India didn't just gain a hero, but it gained hope. A nation once divided by borders was united by a heartbeat called Milkha Singh. Rome 1960. A stadium filled with 50,000 hearts and one man carrying the nation's dream. Milkha Singh stood in the lane 4, eyes steady and soul unshaken. He ran like thunder, feet blazing, and he ran like thunder, feet blazing, breath on fire, and one glance back, a moment, a heartbeat, gone.
And Milkha Singh finishes fourth.
Fourth, one blink too soon, but I ran my best race. If not victory, then truth. That's what I want. Sometimes the finish line is like a reflecting mirror, showing how far your soul has come.
And the crowd rose, not in pity, but in pride. For a refugee had become a runner, and a runner into national pride. Then came a race across borders, not of hatred, but of healing. Two nations once torn apart. Now he is in Pakistan.
And the winner is Milkha Singh. General Ayub Khan named him the Flying Sikh.
Today, I ran not to defeat Pakistan, but to defeat the fear inside me. Today, I ran for peace. Every tear of the partition, I brought back a smile. And every wound of the past, I offered a victory of the spirit.
You've turned my pages today. And if you look closely, you'll find yourself within them. My story not only belongs to Milkha Singh, but it belongs to every heart that refuses to stop.
I was not born a winner. I became one. With every fall, I turned into flight. My story isn't of medals. It's about a boy whom I once ran for the nation I love, and for every dream that dares to begin again.
I am not a story of glory, but I'm a lesson of perseverance. A race is always the wind within. My last page is not an ending, but it is a beginning to every runner who runs towards tomorrow. I live on.
The finish line is never the ending. It's just the start of another race. Even when my legs stopped, my story kept running. In every Indian's heart who dares to begin their dream again and think beyond limits.
From pain to purpose, from partition to pride, from heartbreak to heroism, his story became India's anthem of endurance.
He ran through fire, yet carried light. He fell, yet rose again.
He turned loss into lesson.
And pain into power.
He ran for faith, for freedom, for India.
And even today, when we dream and dare,
His echo still resounds through time.
Bharat Milkha Bharat, we salute the spirit, the story, the soul. Milkha Singh, the Flying Sikh.
मिटा दे अपनी हस्ती को अगर मर्तबा चाहे कि एक दाना खाक में मिलकर गुले गुलजार होता है.
Destroy your entire existence if you want to reach the zenith, because the seed has to become one with the dust, to sprout and blossom into a flower of the unison. As the curtains come to a close on our story, his echo still resounds through time. Every athlete who takes their mark, every child who dreams of running faster than their fear, they carry a spark of Milkha Singh within them. Now, let us see what our young artists have to say of their pictorial journey of the Flying Sikh.
Each stroke we drew today was a step of his life, from the flames of the partition to the wings of peace. Every color carries his courage, every curve his unbroken hope. Our chalks tried to chase his rhythm, the rhythm of a man who couldn't stop running, not just on tracks, but in trials, time, and tears.
Our collage isn't just art, it's emotion. It's Milkha's journey captured in motion. A story that runs from pain to purpose, from loss to legacy. The theme of his life, spirit, self-belief, and struggle, is the heartbeat of every dreamer who dares to begin. And the genre of his book, an autobiography, is more than just a memory. It's a mirror. It teaches us that true victories are not won in stadiums, but within the silent races within our own hearts.
And that's what a story leaves us with. The power to begin again. The courage to run our own race. And the heart to never give up. In a world where everyone chases shortcuts and applause, this book brings us back to the truth that greatness isn't born from glory, it's born from grit. It reminds us to rise, to run, and to rewrite our own finishing line. It's more than a sports memoir. It's a life manual. We suggest this book not just as a story to read, but as a life experience to live. As Milkha Singh once beautifully quoted, you can achieve anything that you want in your life. It simply depends on how desperately you want to achieve it.